95th Street on the Metra Rock Island Joliet SubDistrict main line, Longwood Manor Metro Station. Tuesday, July 7th. This inbound from Joliet makes a station stop and is headed toward LaSalle Street Station. He'll be approaching Gresham Junction in Gresham, where he'll make another station stop before heading down toward 35th Street, Lou Jones, and ultimately LaSalle Street. This is 95th and Vincennes Avenue on the south side of Chicago at Longwood Manor. The train is now knocking down the signal at Gresham Junction. MP36-3S number 415 leads this inbound toward LaSalle Street. And that's busy 1220, 95th Street, and Vincennes Avenue you're looking at.